Hey, what's up? What's up, YouTube? This your boy Ray Mack. I need to look at this camera right here. This is the first time I've ever did a video like this, man. I wanted to show y'all exactly what I pretty much purchased from the grocery store and other little places or whatever the case may be. So I want to show you what's in my grocery bag, if you guys and gals don't mind, all right? So let's go ahead and get into this here video. But before I get into the video, I want to give a big, huge shout out to Resa Richardson and my homeboy, my brother from another mother, Galen Richardson, the Wonder Twins, all right? So I'm definitely giving them a big shout out. And pretty much, they the ones that pretty much inspired me to do this type of video, because I always see Riri over there on her channel doing videos like this. And I just wanted to go ahead and do me one as well, all right? So then on top of that, I want to give another shout out, all right? I want to give a shout out to Fritz family, all right? Fritz family entertainment. I want to say what's up to both of you and congratulations on your new addition to the family, all right? You guys are awesome, man. I love looking at your videos as far as it goes with your mukbang videos. And I'm telling you, somebody in that house can cook, because that food be looking good as a mother. I'm telling you, man, it be looking good. Got a brother over here hungry already. But let me show you exactly what's in this bag, all right? Let me show you right now. All right, family, I want y'all to know if this is something y'all like to see in the future, because this is my first video, okay? First video ever. And don't sit here and talk about my daggone nails, man, because I work in a garage and I ain't got no gloves on. I'm not cooking. But anyway, first thing I do have, you know, I got me some ice cream. You know what I'm talking about? I love me some daggone ice cream sandwiches. So that's one. And they had they had two for $5 on these here ice cream sandwiches. And I need to go ahead and get these in the deep freezer right now. So I'll be right back. Hold for it. All right, so I got my ice cream sandwiches in the fridge. So the next thing I want to show you guys, man, is buttermilk. What the world is dude gonna do with some buttermilk? I'm gonna make me some buttermilk biscuits. Yes, indeed. So got me some buttermilk, and then I can make me some buttermilk pancakes with these. I love them, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I do. So that's another one that I got, buttermilk. And then I have some chicken broth, and I'll tell you exactly what I purchased this here for. A lot of times, man, people can purchase the unsalted chicken broth or whatever the case may be, but I just love the regular 100% natural chicken broth. I do. All right. So then I have some celery, of course. I ran out of celery, and I always try to keep this on hand because I do juice, and some of my juicing recipes require me to use celery. And I'm going to come out with some videos, y'all, showing y'all exactly what I do as far as juicing goes. And I have some onions, and no, I do not juice onions. Ugh. But I only have one onion left, and I do use onions in a lot of my recipes. All right, so that's why I had to get these. I ran out. And what else I got here? Okay, move that bag out the way. And so in here, I got me a nice little, from Food Line, I got me a Boston butt center cut, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in my old-timey, old-school pressure cooker. A lot of people don't have the old-school pressure cooker, you know what I'm saying? But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a video showing you guys, man, how I use my pressure cooker when I cook in it, because I'm gonna cook this pork roast in it, you know what I'm saying, this pork butt in it, along with me some celeries, but I'm gonna use this chicken broth to put it in as well, and I'm gonna make some gravy with that, man, and I'm gonna put that over some rice, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I cook in a pressure cooker. I'm going old school, because that's all I know. All I know, y'all, is Southern old school cooking. I don't know nothing else. So I ain't got no fancy dishes or nothing like that when it comes down to me cooking. I'm just giving it to you the way that I was raised up, and I had a taste for this, and I'm gonna make me some. All right. So I got those out the way. The next thing I do have, and I'm gonna do a video, a little tasting video on these here chips. Now I don't know how many of y'all, man, ever had these chips before. They call Hertz. I don't know if you ever had these, but they make these cheese puffs. You know what I'm saying? And I think they're like jalapeno cheese puffs, and I just love them. You know what I'm saying? Because this company makes the cheese puff, and I love the cheese puff. So they had a special on these chips, two for $4. And I've never tried the creamy ranch and habanero. I've never tried it before. And my light just went off because my battery is going low on my phone. I never tried the creamy ranch habanero before, so I'm gonna try this just to see exactly how they taste. Now this is when I seen this, man, I was like, wow, ghost pepper flavored. So I want to see exactly. Now if you look right there, where they give you a scale, the scale says choose your heat, and it's way over there. You know what I'm saying? So I want to try it. I want to see exactly, man, if these things are like hot, and just see how they taste. So I'm gonna do a review video on these two right here. All right. And the next thing that I do have, so as y'all might know, I went to the Oriental store, and I went there trying to find me some shrimp. If I can get into this bag, because they tied up in a knot. You see right here? And I'm holding the camera in one hand, and I'm trying to get in it with another hand. Let me see if I can work this with the camera. No, I can't. But let me pause for a minute, and I'll be back. All right, so I'm back. Now, this is what I do have that I went to the Oriental store and I purchased is some potato starch. All right, so I'm definitely going to be start using this in a little bit more of my frying, especially when it comes to frying chicken wings and pork chops or whatever. So I'm going to be using potato starch, and I know now that I can get this at a very good price when I go to the Oriental store. So that's definitely going to be in my arsenal as far as the cabinet goes. All right. This one right here really tripped me out because I was like, I'm going to go over there and see in their noodle section if they really carry this stuff. Now, the Oriental store that's here in Durham, North Carolina, man, it's been here for years, and I'm talking like many years. And I never took the consideration of even looking on their noodle aisle just to see if they sold these or whatever the case may be. So when I went and I looked, they had the 2-time spicy noodles. And I was like, yeah, let me grab a pack of these. So I grabbed the pack, and you got 5 that's in a pack. You know what I'm saying? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a little noodle challenge on my YouTube and see if I can get somebody to do this with me. If I can't get nobody to do it with me, I might be ended up doing this by myself. So that's what I got from the Oriental store. All right. And this is one of my all-time favorites. You understand? All-time favorites. And I'm going to show you why this is my all-time favorite. All right. So let me show you real quick. I know I got y'all at the floor. I know. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm apologizing right now. But if you look and you see, this is my bottle. And I love this stuff. I use it all the time. And I ran out. So I said I got to get some more. I just don't like running out and not having this. I like to keep this on hand. So when I went to the Asian market, I went and I seen that they had a bigger bottle. And I'm not even going to lie, y'all. It was even cheaper buying this size versus this size. I bought this from the grocery store, and then I bought this at the Asian market. So it's cheaper buying it like this at the Asian market versus me going to the grocery store buying this. That's crazy. I don't know why, but it's crazy. So this is sweet and sour, sweet chili sauce. And I just love this stuff, y'all. I'm telling you, I put that on everything. Now, here's something crazy about this. My daughter, my youngest daughter, she lives in Virginia right now because her husband, Dave, what's up, Dave? He's in the military, and they living in Virginia. And my daughter has a YouTube channel as well. I think it's called Slaying It with Ray, but I'm going to give her a YouTube shout out in my next up and coming video and put all her information up there. So I want you guys to go check out my daughter's YouTube channel. I guarantee you'll love all of her content. So she told me about a recipe that she tried on YouTube, and the recipe, man, that she tried was from Dame Dash. She made his Dash sauce, And she was like, Dad, you got to try it. You got to try it. And so in his ingredients, one of his ingredients is this. So I was like, okay, if you say it's good, then I'm going to definitely give it a try. All right. So, one more thing, y'all. One more thing. All right. I'm going to open this bag. And I got this one from the Asian market as well. And they believe in tying their bags up with knots, I'm telling you. But I got this one open. So I got this at the Asian market. Because, you know, if you go anywhere in the Asian market, man, you're going to look around. So when I was leaving out, I always go to their counters where they be selling their plates and rice steamers and all of that. And I was always admiring their, like, knives, right? So I said to myself, I always wanted one of these type of knives, right? And it only cost me $1.99, but they do have a few more that's a little bit more in value. And then they look like they might be a little bit more as far as it goes with the making of it or whatever. And so I'm going to try this knife. And one thing that the lady did say, she said, you got to be extremely careful with this because the knife is sharp. And the place where I bought it from, if it dulls out, she said I could bring it back and they would sharpen it up as well. And I was like, wow. So they do have a set of knives. I'm going to go, man, and actually take me some more money, and I'm going to get the whole set. You know what I'm saying? And definitely I'm going to see how this work out. All right. So this is my shopping haul. I got the knife from the Asian market. And I have the sweet and sour from the Asian market. And then I got the 2-time spicy noodles. That was, man, I never thought, you know what I'm saying, that they would sell that, but they did. All right. And everything else that I got, man. And this is my shopping haul. Like I said, I'm going to do a pressure cook with this here, in an old time pressure cooker that you put on top of the stove, not the pressure cooker that you might plug in. But I do understand that a lot of people might not own a pressure cooker, but I'm going to do a pressure cooker video, but then I'll turn right back around and show you, for those who don't have a pressure cooker or own one, how I cook this the same way on top of the stove. All right. And this is my little haul, y'all. And I'm going to do a product review on this here product review. I'm going to do a review on these chips and see how hot it is or whatever, or see how they taste. All right. So I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for checking out this here video. And at the end of every video, I always say these words: love and not hate. The reason why I say that, man, because those are the words that I truly believe in. I believe that we are all family, no matter what color our skin is or whatever the case may be, no matter what gender you are or whatever the case may be, whether you big, fat, thin, skinny, or whatever. We are all brothers and sisters in the eyesight of God. There it is. So check out these 2 YouTube channels that I did mention in the beginning: Resa Richardson and Galen Richardson, the Wonder Twins. I'm going to leave a link to their channel below. I want you guys to go over and check them out. Telling you, you'll love them, man. They're awesome, awesome people. And their family is fabulous. Feel like we family. You feel what I'm saying? And then I want you to check out Fritz Family Entertainment. My God, I'm telling you, man, their food is out of this world good. I love it when they do these here mukbangs. I'm telling you, man. And they be having so much food. Ooh. But anyway, thank you so much for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. If this is something that you would like to see in the future, please let me know in the comment below. And if all is said and done, I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it. Peace. Thank you so much for watching Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you would like to become a Ray Mack family member, all you have to do is click on my photo and hit that subscribe button. Please watch the next video as well. As I say in every video, love and not hate, and comment below. Peace.